Why does GoFundMe get to choose who they do business with, but the bakers do not?
That's a really tough question.
That's a good question. Let me think about how I'd answer that.
It's a good question. I haven't really thought about that one.
The state of Oregon recently told a small bakery outside of Portland that they should pay $135,000 for refusing to make a cake for a same-sex wedding. Supporters of that bakery started a fundraiser on GoFundMe.com to raise money to help pay that fine, but after less than 9 hours, the fundraiser was shut down. We posed the question to people on both sides of the marriage debate outside of the Supreme Court today, why GoFundMe gets to choose who they do business with, but the bakery does not.
That's an interesting scenario. I don't think it was right of GoFundMe to shut them down. I mean, if they want to raise for something that GoFundMe disagrees with, I think GoFundMe should let them raise it.
It doesn't make any sense to me.
I mean, I think it's a matter of discrimination of a minority group who has traditionally been marginalized by our legal structures that we have in place.
It depends on why you're choosing not to do business with someone. And religious freedom is a right in the United States, but not religious discrimination.
That's not discrimination against individuals.
I think, honestly, they're just sinking to the same level they're doing. And I think GoFundMe is equally at fault.
You can't tell people they can't deny a lesbian couple, but then you can't go and deny them. That's not fair.
That is a company that, I think there's a difference between hate and discrimination. I mean, I'm not really sure where I'm going with this, but
I have the same questions.
If people are willing to give them money to pay for that $135,000 and there's consent there, then they should be able to.
In an email, GoFundMe told the Daily Signal that campaigns created for the benefit of individuals facing formal charges of discriminatory acts are prohibited from raising funds on their site. For more on this or to share your thoughts, head to dailysignal.com.